Hello and welcome to my 11 plus math problem solving sessions. The first question we have here is write the next two terms in each of the following sequences. So there is 5, then 12, then 19, then 26. So we have to write two more numbers in the sequence. 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 7 is 19, plus 7 is 26, plus 7 is 33. That's our next number, and the first one of the two next numbers they have asked for, and 33 plus 7 is 40. So what we will write here is 33, 40. These are the two numbers. The next one they're saying is 11, 8, 5, 2. So what we will do here is 11, then 8, then 5, then 2, then there are 2. We have more numbers we have to find out in the series. So 11 minus 3 is 8, minus 3 is 5, minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That's the first one. Minus 1, minus 3 is minus 4. That's the second one. So minus 1, 4 has two numbers. Now the next one is a bit complex. What we will have to look into is trying to square the numbers and see what we get. So because 2, 6, 18, 54, the numbers increase. And this is quite a big jump, 2 to 6, and 6 to 18, and 18 to 54. So maybe some number is being squared and added up or multiplied. So we try to think in terms of those lines. So what we get is, if you see 2, 6, 18, then 50, 54, and then two numbers we have to find. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. It's 18, not 10. So it probably is a multiplication. So 2 times 6 is 12. So it's not that. So 2 times 3 equals 6. And then 2 times 9 equals 18. So probably the series can be made by writing, so 3 square is 9, so if we put 3 cube as the next one, what do we get? So 2 times 3 cube is 2 times 27, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, and that is 54. So the next number is probably, now let us do this. So 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 square, 3 to the power 3, 3 cube. So the next one is going to be 2 times 3 to the power 4, and that is 2 times, we know that 3 cube is 54, so you have to multiply 54 by 3. So 2 times 54 times 3, that equals 2 times 4 times 3 is 12, 2 and 1, 16. So we get 4, 324. So next is, because 3 is, the next one is, I think it is 324, the next number of the series. Let us try to do this one more time to make sure I'm missing something. Okay, so 2 times what I think the series has been constructed. So there is 2. So the first number is 2 times 3 to the power 0 is 2. 2 times 3 to the power 1 is 6. 2 times 3 to the power 2 is 18, because 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. 2 times 3 to the power 3 is 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 2 is 54. Then we will have, so those are the numbers that are given. The next one will be 2 times 3 to the power 4. So that will give us, and the next number should be 2 times 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 9 is 80. 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. Yeah. Is that correct? Yes, I think that's correct. So we are doing 2 times 81. That is 162. Isn't it? Yes, I think that's correct. 2 times 81. 3 times 4 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. And so 2 times 81 is, plus 1 is 2, times 8 is 16. Okay, so the next one, so that is the next number in the series. Next is 2 times 3 to the power 5. Now 3 to the power 4 is 81. So 3 to the power 5 will be 81 times 3. That equals 3 and 24. So that is 243. So this number becomes 2 times 243. 2 times 243, and that equals 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. So the next number is 486. Let's check again. So 3 times 5, we have said 3 times 5 is 81 times 3, and that is 243. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 and 81 is 243. Yes, so it is 243 times 2. We get 486. So the next two numbers are 162 and 486. So these are the next two numbers in the series. Okay, we move on to the next question. The next question is giving us the distance between Richmond and Kingston is approximately 3 out of 8 miles. If I walk 2/3 of the way, how far do I walk? So we have to convert this 3 out of 8, this into a fraction. That is a combination of whole number and a fraction. We have to convert it into a fraction. So this becomes 8 times 3 plus 3 by 8. That is 27 out of 8. So 8 times 3 is 24, plus 3 is 27, and out of 8. So that's 27 out of 8. Now if I walk 2/3 of the way, how far have I walked? So 2/3 of the way, the total way is 27 by 8 miles. I have walked 2/3 of the way. So I have walked 2/3 multiplied by 27 out of 8. That is how much I have walked. So it's 2 times 4, 3 times 9 is 9 out of 4 miles. Now this I can again convert it into a combination of whole number and fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 is 9 and 2 1 out of 4 miles. So my answer is 2 1 out of 4 miles. So that's the answer, 2 1 out of 4 miles. So hopefully this is clear to you. If not, do leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you for your time. Bye.